The Nothing Ear 2 earbuds are the latest offering from Nothing, building upon the foundation laid by their predecessors, the Ear 1. These earbuds aim to deliver a refined audio experience with a focus on design and sound quality. Design and comfort. The Ear 2 maintains the transparent aesthetic characteristic of Nothing's design philosophy. The earbuds are sturdy and robust at the stems but smooth and comfortable at the tips, ensuring a comfortable fit for extended listening sessions. Sound quality. The Ear 2 offers a more balanced and refined sound compared to its predecessor. The bass response is heavier than the Ear 1, providing a more exciting listening experience. Active noise cancellation. The Ear 2 features active noise cancellation, which is effective for everyday listening. While it may not match the performance of higher-end models, it provides a noticeable reduction in ambient noise, enhancing the listening experience in various environments. Battery life. Battery performance is adequate for daily use, though it may not stand out compared to competitors. Users can expect a reasonable amount of listening time on a single charge, with the charging case providing additional top-ups as needed. Overall, the Nothing Ear 2 earbuds present a compelling option for those seeking a blend of style and performance. With improvements in sound quality and the inclusion of active noise cancellation, they offer good value for their price point. Thank you so much.